A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, and it's not just their name that's flamboyant. These birds are nature's runway models, strutting their stuff with an explosion of pink feathers against the blue sky. Their brilliant color comes from the carotenoid pigments in the algae and crustaceans they feast on, transforming their plumage into a vivid spectacle. Flamingos are social creatures, often gathering in groups of hundreds or even thousands, creating a mesmerizing sea of pink that showcases their unique personalities and synchronized movements. Their collective dance, sometimes a prelude to mating, is a rhythmic display of unity and grace, capturing the essence of their vibrant lifestyle. In a world where standing out is an art, flamingos have mastered the craft, turning every gathering into a celebration of color and life.